Marinette Dupain-Cheng, you have been an exemplary holder of the miraculous of the ladybug. You've always used the power of creation for the greater good.
Adrian Agreste, you have been an exemplary holder of the miraculous of the Black Cat. You've always used the power of destruction for the greater good. I wish I could say the same about me.
The task you were performing so well has become too much of a burden, crushing you. Your mission is now over.
But Mother, someone will succeed you. You won't have to hide anything anymore from the ones you love. You can finally be yourself.
You don't have to do this, Gigi. This means you can finally be in love with Adrian.
This means you can tell Marinette all your silly, soppy feelings.
We'll see each other again. Right, Tiki? I'll never forget you, Marinette.
Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знаешь.